If you've ever tried building your own Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG setup, you know it's no walk in the park. Managing embeddings, setting up vector databases, chunking text properly, and making sure everything interacts smoothly with your AI model can be a real headache. Not to mention, it can get expensive and time-consuming fast. For many developers, these hurdles make RAG seem out of reach. But what if all that complexity could just disappear? Today, we're diving into how Google's new file search tool is changing the game for anyone working with RAG. Recently, Google quietly introduced a brand new file search tool within the Gemini API. This tool is designed to handle all the heavy lifting that comes with RAG. Instead of juggling multiple systems, you simply upload your files, ask your question, and let Google's tool figure out the rest. It's a seamless experience that removes the need for separate vector databases or complex retrieval pipelines. With this move, Google is making advanced AI accessible to everyone, not just machine learning experts. So, what exactly is this file search tool? At its core, file search enables Gemini to truly understand your data. You can upload a variety of file types, PDFs, DOCX, text files, JSON, or even code. When you ask Gemini a question, it doesn't just guess. Instead, it examines your uploaded files, finds the relevant sections, and uses them to generate a response. It's like plugging your personal knowledge base directly into Gemini, with no extra setup required. The beauty of file search is its simplicity. There's no need for a separate vector database, no retrieval pipeline, and nothing complicated to manage. You just upload your files and get answers. This streamlined approach means you can focus on your questions and your data, not on the technical details behind the scenes. It's a major step forward in making AI tools user-friendly and accessible to a wider audience. One of the most surprising aspects of Google's file search tool is its cost. You don't pay for queries or storage. Instead, you only pay once when you index your files. Creating embeddings costs just $0.15 per million tokens using the Gemini Embedding 001 model. Compared to building your own pipeline with other tools, this is incredibly affordable. After indexing, you can query your files as much as you want without additional charges. File search automates the entire RAG process. It automatically chunks your files, generates embeddings, stores and retrieves them, and injects the right context into your Gemini prompts. All of this happens inside the same generateContent API call you're already familiar with. When you make a query, file search performs a vector search behind the scenes using the latest Gemini embedding model. This means it understands the meaning of your query, not just the keywords. One standout feature of file search is its transparency. When Gemini answers your question, it doesn't just give you a response, it also provides citations. You'll see exactly which file and section the answer came from, and you can click through to verify the source. This level of grounding helps eliminate hallucinations and builds trust in the AI's responses. Let's look at a real-world example. Phaser Studio, an early tester, is using file search on their AI-powered game platform, Beam. They have a massive library of over 3,000 files, including templates, code snippets, and design documents. With file search, they can query all of this information in less than 2 seconds. Previously, it would take hours to manually find the same data. Their CTO, Richard Davey, says ideas that once took days to prototype now become playable in minutes. Getting started with file search in your own projects is straightforward. Here's a quick Python example. You import the necessary libraries, create a file search store, upload your document, and then use the generateContent method to ask questions. The process is simple and doesn't require much code. This means even developers with limited AI experience can start leveraging advanced RAG capabilities right away. The workflow is refreshingly simple. First, you upload your files to the file search store. Then, you ask your question using the generateContent API. The tool handles everything else: indexing, searching, and providing grounded answers. This step-by-step process is designed to save you time and reduce the technical barriers to using RAG in your applications. Why is this such a big deal? Every AI developer faces the same challenge. Models sound impressive, but they lack access to your company's internal data. File search changes that by allowing Gemini to analyze your content without a complex retrieval setup. This opens up new possibilities for support bots, internal tools, document Q&A, and any application that needs up-to-date, domain-specific information. You can try file search right now in Google AI Studio. There's a demo called Ask the Manual, where you can upload your own files, ask questions, and see how well the tool grounds its answers. Once you're comfortable, you can remix the demo or integrate file search directly into your own applications. It's a hands-on way to experience the benefits of this new tool. Let's take a moment to clarify what Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, actually means. RAG is an AI architecture that combines information retrieval with text generation. Instead of relying solely on pre-trained knowledge, the model retrieves relevant information from external sources and uses it to generate more accurate and context-aware responses. This approach is especially powerful for tasks that require up-to-date or domain-specific knowledge. Another key concept is embeddings and vector search. Embeddings are numerical representations of text that capture meaning and context. Vector search allows the system to find similar pieces of information based on these embeddings, rather than just matching keywords. This enables more accurate and relevant search results, which are crucial for effective RAG systems. With Google's file search tool, the future of Retrieval Augmented Generation looks brighter than ever. By removing technical barriers and making advanced AI tools affordable and accessible, Google is empowering developers and businesses of all sizes. Whether you're building support bots, internal knowledge bases, or innovative new apps, file search makes it easier to harness the full potential of RAG. The possibilities are just beginning.